Hi, in this video you're gonna be witness to a flat tensile test. So let's be ready and let's enjoy the show. Cool.
Yeah. So here we're gonna have to do a tensile test. Okay. So first we're gonna have to capture the data. So we're gonna have to capture the data. We're gonna have to start by capturing the thickness as I've done it now. So now here I'm gonna capture the width, so 90.11, and here I'm gonna capture the gauge length, which is 50 millimeters. Okay. So after that we're gonna go to our machine. So this is our machine here. There are our grips. You can see the grips are there, so the top ones and the bottom ones. All right, so now what we're gonna have to do is to put our sample between the grips and start stretching it until it fractures. So okay, so first I'm gonna have to hold the sample. So I'm gonna hold the top of the sample and then the bottom of the sample. There we go. Okay, once I'm done with that, I'm gonna go toward my computer and start doing the test. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so check now, there's my graph static. So now this is in the range of elastic deformation. As you can see, my line, the graph is going on a straight line. It's going on a straight line, and graph is straight. So look at the sample. The sample is being stretched now. It's being stretched. It's being stretched. And what we're gonna do is, once the sample breaks, we're gonna have to record the maximum loads. Okay, we're gonna have to record the yielding load, and we're gonna have to record the extension. Okay, we're gonna have to record the extension, because it's with the extension we can get the elongation in terms of percentage of our sample. Okay, so as you can see, check there. Now we're turning on the zone of plastic deformation. You see that? So that was straight line for elastic. That is plastic deformation. So our sample is gonna break very soon. We have to expect our sample to break soon. Our sample gonna break very soon. You see, it is past the elastic deformation. Now it's in plastic deformation. Check now. It's gonna break. Yeah, be ready for the noise. Yeah. So now I'm at 370 something kilonewton. Check. It's gonna break now. It's gonna break anytime soon. It's making there. The noise anytime soon. Wow! It's broke at 371.11 kilonewton. Man, that's great, eh? That's really great. So now I can measure my extension. Okay. So previously it was 50 millimeter. So now if I have to measure my extension now, you see my marks there. So now I'm at almost that is 67.93, so 17.93 millimeter extension. That is great. So I'm gonna take the biggest extension. So I'm gonna measure properly though, this is just to show you. So now the biggest one is 73.43. Wow. So the extension is that one minus 50 millimeter, which is 23.43 millimeter. That is a great extension. Okay, so I'm gonna capture my details here, my datas, and save the graph. Cool then, eh?